Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. I want to apologize ahead of time. I am not feeling well, so if I seem kind of bleh in this video, that's why. So the mascara we're going to be talking about today is the Covergirl Flourish by Lash Blast Mascara. This is what it looks like. This you can get at the drugstore for like under $10. It has coconut, avocado, and papaya oils in it. Treat your lashes to lush ingredients, including coconut oil, avocado, and papaya oil. Creamy formula coats lashes from root to tip for lash definition in length without the clumps. That's pretty much all it says. So I'm excited to try this. Let's get to it. So my final thoughts on this mascara, I feel like this just might be one of their old mascaras in a different packaging. Like the orange, I think it's orange. Their orange mascara, their orange Lash Blast mascara. I feel like this is the same mascara. The wand is very much the same. The formula seems the same. It's really not doing too much for my lashes. I think this is a good mascara to wear underneath false lashes, but I don't think I would wear this on its own. I mean, it's not doing too much. And I don't know, it might be the brush. I don't know, I'm not really a fan of these short, plasticky bristles. I feel like they don't do much. I think this is like the orange mascara just in a green tube. That's what I think. And maybe they put, what did they say, avocado, coconut, avocado, and papaya in it. Maybe they just sprinkled that in. I don't know, it's very similar and I'm not too impressed. So that is it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there is a mascara you want to see featured in this series, just comment down below and let me know. So if you try this mascara, comment down below and let me know if it's worked for you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.